The project for this group is going to be to improve the environment of the entire planet by reducing Bangkok commute time. Solutions that might help Bangkok could easily be adopted in many other large cities, Los Angeles, Beijing, Delhi, Jakarta, all who have traffic congestion problems. Bangkok has the second worst traffic in the entire world. The only city worst is Mexico City. As this group begins to investigate as to why that is, there'll be 1,000 questions. How did it get so bad in Bangkok? Why is it this bad? How long has it been this bad? What can we possibly do to make it better? Will the city administrators in Bangkok be resistant to new ideas, or will they be supportive? How do they measure how bad it is? Who makes those measurements? How do they compare it to other cities? How will we be able to measure? How will you be able to measure if you change something and measure the improvement? This team will collaborate to research the problems of Bangkok traffic, identify possible solutions, and along the way produce 3 items: a painting, an app, and a video. These 3 tangible objects are going to chronicle the process that you go through to arrive at possible solutions. The painting will depict the ideas and issues you encounter along the way. The app design will be something that you create from nothing in an effort to help reduce traffic congestion in Bangkok. And the video that you create will include time lapse and possibly stop action of the progress of the painting, explanation of how the research data led to the app design, and will also explain to commuters how to use the app to reduce their commute time, thus reducing traffic congestion in Bangkok. You will also post that video to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media sites to spread the message. I included a painting of one of my recent works because I visited Myanmar, and you'll see that it includes numerous items, all visuals that I accumulated from my visit to Myanmar. And the painting that you do of your Bangkok work will be something along that line, that it includes all of the visual depictions of all of the issues that you've encountered. As far as solutions to the traffic in Bangkok, carpooling might be a solution. Public transportation might be a solution. Bangkok needs new thinking. This group will conduct an online survey of the stakeholders, which means commuters, people who live in Bangkok, taxi drivers, and city administrators, anyone else who can give input on the ideas, the problems, and potential solutions. Other solutions might be different public transportation, better traffic management, rush hour management, a ride-sharing app, a traffic jam avoidance app, taxi apps. You'll want to have your mind open to new ideas, and the survey will provide many new ideas, we hope. Will the gig economy ideas help? I'm not sure if Uber is any help or not. The many other apps that are around are available for you to look at for new ideas on how to reduce traffic, avoid traffic, find new routes, or share rides, or carpool, or whatever. The app design that you create will be something that comes directly from the information you gathered in your research. The solutions that you pick from among many possible solutions will inform that app, and also commuters will use that app to reduce their travel time. The app itself will provide the information necessary to assess its effectiveness in reducing their commute time. The rubric of this project will be that I will evaluate group collaboration, individual members' contributions. I'll discuss the group self-assessments. We'll evaluate success of the gallery exhibit by looking at attendance, video views. A critical measure for any public communication process is how many people viewed the message. The group is expected to promote the video and maximize message outreach. I'll assess online surveys for their effectiveness in communication and information gathering. I'll assess the group's success in determining public sentiment on the issues. I'll evaluate the painting and the app designs. Together we will review and critique group decisions on which data were considered insignificant. We'll work together to review and critique group decisions on which potential solutions were rejected, which were selected, and why. And finally, we will evaluate the app's potential effectiveness in reducing commute time. I'll also be sending out a document giving additional details on the entire project and the rubric. Thank you for your attention.